Try to stretch out Snickers, or tear up a McFlurry, or maybe roll out M&Ms, or take all the water out of a fish tank with your simple hand. Do you think we're breaking the laws of physics? Nope! These are our new candy slimes. Watch how to turn your favorite candies into edible slimes. Redhead Eat MMs. Excellent! It's exactly what I need for my new slime. I just need a few candies and it's done. Melt gummy bears in a microwave. Add a few drops of yellow food coloring. Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar. Mix the slime until it stops sticking to your hands. Paint a plastic bucket with yellow spray enamel. Attach a picture of a yellow M&M's candy to the lid. Put in the slime and add a few candies. Redhead is bewildered. What are you doing? But she forgets about her candies as soon as she sees what I take out of my bucket. It's awesome M&M slime. You can stretch it out in different directions, but that's not all. It's edible too. Help yourself! Chocolate cookies and milk is a match made in heaven. But if you are bored with regular filling, take ours. It's colored slime. Take the cream out of Oreo cookies. Make white slime from melted marshmallow, powdered sugar, and starch. Separate it into 3 parts. Add a different food coloring into each part. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out the slimes. Cut out circles to be of the same size as Oreo cookies and put the colorful slimes into the chocolate cookies instead of the boring white filling. The colored Oreo is way more fun than the regular cookie. You can play with it and then dip it into the milk and eat. And the main question is, who will get the last bright cookie? A true fight for the Oreo begins. These clingy hands won't let anything go. The cookie can't stand this pressure. We break it in half so it's fair. My friend has gotten a Snickers drink. Excellent! It's exactly what you need on such a hot summer day. But it doesn't pour out for some reason. Is it finished? No, there is just sweet slime instead of a drink. Melt marshmallows in a microwave. Add Nutella and mix it nicely with a spoon. Knead the slime in your hands. Add some peeled nuts. Put the slime into an empty Snickers drink bottle. Take the stretchy Snickers out of the bottle. Wow! There are even real nuts in it. Play and have a snack at the same time. A regular Snickers seems so boring in comparison with this slime. We should make more funny slimes. Watching a movie with a friend is way more interesting. There is a movie called Slime Invasion. The universe is in danger. It is really thrilling. It's so great that we've got a big McFlurry slime. Take it in your hands and calm down. Wrap a blue foam rubber sheet around a big popcorn cup. Trim the edges. Attach a printed out McFlurry label. Melt marshmallows and put in equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar. Make the needed amount of slime. Put it into the cup and decorate it with colored Skittles candies on top. It turns out that it's not a thriller, it's a comedy. We are having so much fun, and the time flies so fast with the McFlurry slime. It's so sweet. Daisy snatches a big piece. Share with me, you greedy guts! It's a pity that the edible slime finishes before the movie does. Now I will have to be hungry until the end of the film. My friend and I are in donut paradise. I have a regular sweet donut, but my friend gets a sweet surprise. Her donut has a stretchy slime filling. Cut a donut in half. Cut out the middle. Melt gummy bears in a microwave. Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar to the melted mass. Mix it to get slime. Put in a little candied fruit. Pull up the slime, cut it, and put the parts one after another into the donut. Join the parts. Redhead cracks the secret of her donut immediately. And there is nothing interesting in my dessert, but my friend will certainly share her slime with me. It can stretch out. This donut will be enough for 2 of us. Bubblegum after a meal is exactly what we need. Freshen up your breath with Orbit, but it's actually Orbit Slime in our case. Add 6 tablespoons of water to 3 spoons of tapioca balls. Add pink food coloring. Mix it. Put it into a microwave for 1 minute. Open the microwave every 15 seconds and mix the tapioca. Take the mixture out when it thickens. Add some water so that the slime doesn't stick to your hands. It loses its stickiness at once. Roll the slime in tapioca pearls. Put it into a big Orbit bubblegum jar. You can make anything you want with this bubblegum. The truth is that playing with this slime is way better than tasting it. The regular Orbits taste better. And it is healthier for your teeth. Redhead arranges fishing right in the house. Where is she going to fish? In a sink? No, in a home fish tank made out of clear slime. Gummy banana fish is her first catch. It tastes great. Let's make clear edible slime. Add 2 cups of water to 1 cup of tapioca starch. Mix it and put it in a microwave. Take it out each 15 seconds and stir. Check it until the slime thickens and turns transparent. The melted tapioca is tacky. This is why we add some water, and it stops being tacky at once. Put the slime into a big clear jar. The transparent slime stretches out nicely. You can spread it over the sides of the jar easily. Create an effect of a fish tank filled with water. Attach gummy fish to the slime. While Redhead is deep into her fishing, I take all the tacky water out of the fish tank. It can stretch out perfectly. Have I become an empress of water? But the clear slime doesn't taste so good. Gummy fish is way more delicious, so we do not recommend drinking the water out of the fish tank. But you can play with it as much as you want. Small Skittles are out of fashion. Everyone is into giant sweets now. This maxi Skittles candy is made from stretchy slime. Sort out chewy candies according to colors. Melt them in a microwave. Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar into each color. Mix it and make 3 slimes of different colors. Join the slimes to make one big candy. Shape a ball. Cover a big printed Skittles label with clear tape. Sprinkle the slime ball with starch or powdered sugar. Wrap it in the maxi wrapper. This is so much fun! We are having a lot of fun playing with this Skittles slime. We'll never be able to do it with regular Skittles. We can stretch it out to make a whole rainbow, and I can eat a piece of it. My friends will certainly appreciate it. I've got an unusual Kinder surprise, especially for Redhead. She can never pass by someone else's yummy. She notices the lonely Kinder immediately. She opens it up, takes the spoon out as usual, but there is some strange slime instead of the regular filling. Open up Kinder Joy. Take the contents out. Leave the empty shells. Put 2 bowls with marshmallows into a microwave. Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar to the melted mass. Mix it to get white slime. Add Nutella to the second portion of the melted marshmallow and make brown slime. Put the colorful slimes into the shell. Stretch out the border with a toothpick. Hot glue the foil and join the two parts of the Kinder Joy. What happened to this Kinder Surprise? Did it melt under the hot sun? Not at all. I show my friend what the matter is. It's Kinder Joy slime. There is a real surprise egg. You can play with this slime as well as with a regular toy, and you can also eat it afterwards. Did you like our stretchy ideas? Then write in your comments which slime you would like to make. A whole bucket of McFlurry, Kinder Surprise slime, or will you arrange real fishing in transparent tapioca slime? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new sweet and sticky ideas on the Troom channel.